Thanks, Ms. Commissioner. Thanks for a great report. I think that it's very good that we get these reports and it's very good prepared. As many colleagues said, we see that cohesion policy is not old-fashioned policy. It's policy which we need today and we will need it also in the future. And it will be necessary to focus on specific problems which will be, and we must really continue with strong cohesion policy. I think it will be necessary to follow development of use of recovery and resilient fund, how it will work and influence on cohesion, because we heard from many countries that this use of this money is very centralized and for use for other money, public administration, and perhaps it won't influence enough on those regions where it's necessary, and it's a danger that cohesion will not be bigger and that it's necessary really to work on this. I want to focus on three specific problems you mentioned. First, these demographic trends, demographic problems. We see very clear from this report which trends are. First trend is from rural areas towards urban, and then from less developed region, less developed countries towards more developed countries. We usually spoke a lot in Parliament about external migration, but we always forgot to speak about internal migration, which is very important for the also political cohesion of European Union. It's more and more important thing. So I think it's necessary to tackle this problem, and for me, I think that I tabled amendment. It was accepted here in this committee and also in Parliament about use of 5% of regional development fund specifically to rural areas and smart villages initiative. Unfortunately, in trilogue it didn't pass, but we increased from 5 to 8% for cities. I think that we don't answer on the right direction if we want to speak really about demographic problems, and it's necessary. We have no long-term vision for rural areas. We need toolbox, we need a rural action plan, and prepare also the finance tools for the next financial perspective. And I think it's really necessary to work a lot on this and be concrete and work in this direction. What is the third thing? I will finish. Green and digital transition. Fit for 55 package is a package which will influence a lot. This is technological revolution. We prepared social environmental plan. It means that we expect troubles. And follow how will be this governance in these areas which are less developed in this topic. Otherwise, we will have another problems and bigger difference between more developed and less developed regions. So for me, this is the most important thing, that we will follow how regions will be prepared and how we will use all this amount of money in this direction, that we will reach these environmental goals, but that we will not make big differences between regions, countries in Europe. Thank you.